Sometimes I'm mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood or my attitude. Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home, walk in contradiction, get some factual and fiction. A little crazy, little sexy, little cool. Hi you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this super easy braid out. I'll show you step by step, including the products that I used. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video.
Right now I'm getting the water to the temperature that I like. After that, I will grab the products that I'm going to use for washing my hair. In this step, I am getting my hair prepared for shampooing. This is the shampoo that I use for my hair, and I'm going to take a nice size amount of it to shampoo my hair. I'm going to work that into my scalp and just massage it. After that, I'm going to rinse it out, and we'll be conditioning next. That is the conditioner. The conditioning process is pretty much the same as the shampooing process, except I use a lot more product for conditioning than I do with shampooing. So just as I said, I'm going to work that in, massage it, and then rinse it out. So y'all, the products I'm going to be using are by Mielle, and this is my first time using them, so I'm excited to see how they work. So I have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, Moisturizing Curl Primer, and Detangling for Thick, Curly, Type 4 hair. This is what it looks like. And I also have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle Intense Moisturizing Souffle for those with thick, curly hair wanting to achieve the perfect twist and braid out. That's what this looks like. And also, so what I use to wash and condition my hair, I use As I Am, the Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Conditioner, Strengthening and Hydrating Treatment. And I also have the As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Strengthening Shampoo, Hydrating Hair Wash. So my hair should smell like so good. I got pomegranate, passion fruit, and it's gonna have honey in it. It's just gonna smell delicious. And I know I ain't the only one that be like, ooh, your hair finna smell good. You ain't gotta put on no perfume and stuff. Like your lotion ain't even gotta be scented or whatever, because you know you about to be bomb smelling already because of your hair products. And we all know we need a red tail comb. They got this type of tail on it because your part's gonna be right. But I don't really care about parts. When I'm doing my hair, I don't care about parts. And I got these clips. And I got these two, but I needed more and bigger ones. I have my wide tooth comb for detangling and my brush. I also bought some castor oil. This one is peppermint. It promotes healthy hair and scalp, revitalizes, help relieve itchy scalp, moisturize, and soften cuticles. Aromatherapy. I've never used this one before, so I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections, and we're about to get started.
So right here, I'm just combing my hair, trying to make sure I get all the tangles out of it, and I'm just combing from the roots to the end of my hair.
Gonna add the souffle. Y'all, it's so thick.
So here I'm just going to add a little water to my hair because I like for my hair to be drenching in water.
And I like to add the oil on top just to hold everything in. It smells good too, really good. I'm just gonna do like a little drop, about that much. And this is the first one. Twirl the ends. And this is the first two of this section. So I'm gonna finish this section, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I finished this side, and we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each section is gonna have 6. The back might end up having more, but this is just what this section looks like. And as I told y'all, when I got to the ends and I can't braid anymore, I just twirl them. So, and remember, when you get to the ends, we're going to twirl. And we're just going to repeat the process, you guys. So I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. So yeah, this is what the final product looks like. I have did each section in my head, and all together I have a total of 24 braids in my hair. 360. So I am going to let it dry probably for a day or two, and then we'll be back to see what these beauties turn out to be. Alright y'all, so it's the next day and I am ready to take my hair down. So we're just gonna get started, and I like to start at the back, so I'm gonna clamp the top part up so it won't be in the way. Alright, let's get started, you guys. And we're starting from the bottom, you guys, and we're just gonna do it slowly. The slower you go, the less frizz you have. And it depends on my mood. Like, I love when my hair looks frizzy and big, and sometimes I want it to be neat, you know. So today we won't neat, but if I get a little frizz, that's fine. It's a little frizz right up in there, but that's okay. So we're just gonna keep going.
As you can tell from the look on my face, I was in love with this twist.
Have y'all ever did that before? Thought you know, like had all that section or whatever, and you still got like 2 still center in the hem and around? Like, I would not have done it like that before, but you can tell.
So you guys, this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna take my pick. I'm just gonna pick it some to like give it some more volume. But like I would wear it like this, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the back before I pick it out. So, but this is what it looks like. We're gonna pick.
So I'm just trying to figure out how I want to style my hair. I was just, having fun with it until I decide on what I like best.
Pick it out a little bit more. And you just have fun with it though, because like today I might like it like this, and then tomorrow I might, want less of it to be bigger. So just play with it and have fun. And this is the final product, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell, and follow me on all my social media. They're right at the front of the video, and if you didn't see it, they'll be at the end of this. So thank you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.